They all worked in the garment trades. My mother was left-handed, and she felt that this was a terrible handicap for her because she could not do the work that would get her ahead in the field, so to speak. She told me a very interesting story about underaged kids who worked in these factories, and my Aunt Molly was one of them. So when the labor inspector came, they had a little ditty that they sang as a warning for the young underage kids to hide. There were plenty of places to hide under bolts of fabric. So this was the ditty. The cop is in the shop. The cop is in the shop. Arium cherium. The cop is in the shop.